Head over to the Secretary of State for Texas. Click under Business Services SOS Direct. Click on Enter Site. I already have an account, which you should if you've already made an LLC. Put your information in, log in. They make you do this credit card thing every time, which is kind of a pain, but so you got to put your credit card information in. They, I guess, charge $1 every time you do this. And go back to the business page again. Here, if you know your number from when you first made your LLC, you can just put it in here. Otherwise, if you have to search it, you can put your name in here and search it. They're going to charge you another $1 to do this. Then you find your number. So that 800 number, that's what you need. We go under, we're looking at assume names. Click this to move on. Here you can, the number's now put in there. So you want to file the document, put this down to assume name. Click continue. Put your name in here. The date 10 years from today to use the full 10 years for the assumed name. I just put all counties in Texas. Put the office address. Sign it. And here you submit and pay a $25 fee. Verify everything's correct. And then I just save this file just to have it for my records. So you have the number here and everything. So you can, I just screenshot it and save it. But that's how you do your DBA or assume name. You submit and pay a $25 fee.